Hi, today I'm going to explain how to use Kikoff Credit effectively to build your credit fast in 2025. So, Kikoff offers a unique credit builder service without a credit check or interest. First, sign up for Kikoff through their app or website. Navigate to kikoff.com, click on sign up button, then you'll be easily able to sign up using your credentials. After you sign up, this will be the first page that you're going to see. You'll have to enter your legal name. Then you'll have to enter your phone number, your birth date, address, social security number, and review it. After you do all these steps, you'll be successfully registered on Kikoff. After that, Kikoff gives you a credit line by allowing you to buy a small credit limit, usually $500, which you repay over time. To use Kikoff credit, make purchase within your limit and repay them monthly. Making on-time payments is key because Kikoff reports your activity to major credit bureaus, helping you build a positive credit history. You can shop anywhere Kikoff is accepted online or in a store, as it functions like a virtual credit card. Also, avoid maxing out your limit. Keep your balance low to maintain a good credit utilization ratio. So regularly check your credit score within the Kikoff app to track your progress and make adjustments if needed. Remember, consistency is crucial. Pay on time every month and avoid missed payments to build credit quickly and safely. That's it. Using Kikoff responsibly can boost your credit score faster than traditional methods. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.